Are you also a seed supplier? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your seed supplier business. So as an owner of a seed supply company, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries on regular basis. I need to handle all the inquiries manually, and that was a time-consuming process. So I have decided to automate this entire task with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by setting up an amazing WhatsApp chatbot, that too without any coding and programming skills. Now this WhatsApp chatbot is going to handle the entire queries that I am receiving for my business on regular basis, and also going to automate the responses 24/7 for me. To automate the entire process and to learn how to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your seed supplier business. So as a seed supplier, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp messages on regular basis from different customers and new leads regarding the catalogs, for placing the order, for contacting us, much more. To send the details for each of the inquiry and to manage and handle all the messages is a time-consuming process. So I have decided to create a WhatsApp chatbot to handle all my WhatsApp messages 24/7 for my customers. Okay, to create this WhatsApp chatbot, I have not used any coding and programming skills. I have prepared a flow over here like this, which I have created with the help of an amazing WhatsApp automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. Before moving forward towards learning how to create a chatbot by ourselves for our seed supplier business, let me first of all show you that how this bot is actually going to work. For that, I'm going to first of all take you towards WhatsApp. So this is the WhatsApp number of Green Grow Seeds. That is the name of my seed supplier business. And as a customer, I'm going to send a message on this number, any message. Let's say, hello, can you share the details of seeds? A random message as a customer. And you can see instantly I got the reply. Welcome to Green Grow Seeds. We supply high quality seeds for vegetables, fruits, herbs and flowers, all delivered to your doorstep. May I know your name before we go ahead? So let's say as a customer, I'm going to provide a name over here. A random name, let's say a new customer. As I've provided the name, this time I got the reply along with my name automatically. Great new customer, what would you like to explore? Here we have options, view seed catalog, whether we want to place an order or I want to contact. So let's say I'm going to click on the button, view seed catalog. And as I've clicked on the button, I got an instant reply along with a catalog of the seeds. And here it is saying in the caption, to order, click below. And I'm going to click on this place order button. I got the link where I can place the order, and also I can click on contact us button to contact the support team. Here we have the details. So in this way, the flow is actually going to work on the basis of the response of the customers. The flow will work and the bot will respond. So now let's start creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for our business as well, step by step. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, we need to type pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser, which is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create the WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. Let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed, the credits that are remaining with us, and also the WhatsApp number that we have added. To create your Pabbly Chatflow account and to add your WhatsApp number with it, we have two methods over here. You can see we have add WhatsApp number, we have WhatsApp connect method and manual token method. For any of the method which you want to learn, we have created separate video tutorials that are uploaded on our YouTube channel. Also, I'm going to attach the link of both the videos in the description of my video, so you can just go and watch it if you want to learn. Okay, apart from this, if you're having multiple WhatsApp numbers, you can add the numbers by creating separate folders on your dashboard to organize your dashboard and effortlessly manage everything. Apart from creating WhatsApp chatbot and flows, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow that are given over here on the left side. We have inbox, contact section, team queues, template section, broadcast. We have flows by using which we are going to create the chatbot over here. Then we have AI assistant, settings and get help section. For each of these features, we have created separate detailed tutorials that are uploaded on our YouTube channel. So you can just go and watch the video anytime if you want to learn about any of the feature. Now let's start creating the WhatsApp chatbot for seed supply business. Here we have the flow section. We'll go towards flows. So here we are on the flow section. These are all the flows that I've created for separate purposes. First of all, here we have the active flows and we have all the inactive flows as well. To create a new flow, let's click on this add flow button. And here we have a blank flow which we have to complete and fill. Now, you have to keep in mind that the bot which we are going to create is going to be totally based on the flow that we are going to prepare over here. Flow is going to decide chronological order of the messages that is to be sent according to the response of the customers or clients on WhatsApp. Okay, so now first of all, let's give the flow name over here. I'm going to give the name of my flow as WhatsApp chatbot for your seed supplier business. After giving the name to the flow, now you have to decide that on the happening or what you want to run your flow. So as I've shown you in the beginning of the video, when I was receiving certain messages from my customers, then my flow was starting and the bot started responding. In the same manner, if you want that when you're going to receive certain keywords, certain specific words from your customers, then only you want to start your flow. So you can enter those keywords over here in the keywords field. But if you want that whenever you're going to receive any kind of message, whether it is a word, a specific sentence, a text or a paragraph, or even a symbol, then you want to run your flow and start responding to your customers, then you can use a regex. So regex is regular expressions which helps you to identify the messages that you're receiving and automatically start your flows. I'm going to enter a regex over here. So I have entered the regex and now let's move forward. As I've used this regex, every time I'm going to receive any kind of message from my customers on WhatsApp, my flow is going to automatically start. You can also use the same regex if you also want the same. Okay, I want to first of all ask the name of my customer. So I'm going to go towards action and here we have the option of ask question. So I'm going to drag it down like this. And now I'm going to connect it with my flow start step. So the question which I want to ask to my customers is, so the message is welcome to Green Grow Seeds. Here I have made this message bold in order to highlight it. If you want to make any of the message bold, what you can do, you can just add stars at the start and at the end of the message. We supply high quality seeds for vegetables, fruits, herbs and flowers, all delivered to your doorstep. May I know your name before we go ahead? So here I want to collect the name of my customers so that further in my communications, I can address the customers along with their name to make my communications more personalized. So I'm going to collect the full name of the customer. I have selected contact custom field as full name. Now, as we are selecting the details through contact custom fields, whenever we are going to receive the replies from the customers along with those details, the details will automatically be added in contact custom field section. As I have selected full name from contact custom field, when I'm going to receive the replies from my customers, the name is going to be automatically added in contact custom field, and further I will be able to automatically use those same name to each of the customer automatically to make my communication process personalized. Okay, the format of this name is going to be text. And how you can select contact custom field? Now, how you can select contact custom field? For that, you can see that we have the option of settings. We have contact custom field over here. When you will open this, you can add all the details which you want to collect from your customers in contact custom field. Okay, now I'm going to move forward and further I want to send them a message when I'm going to receive their name along with a button, and I'm going to enter great. And here I'm going to quickly use the contact custom field to make my communication personalized. For that, I will use a $sign and I will enter contact custom field, that is full name. Okay, as it is I have entered. Let me make it bold. And now here I'm going to enter the next message. What would you like to explore? You can see that I have used a $sign over here in contact custom field. This means that I have made this variable. When we are going to add $sign in any of the contact custom field, whether it is email, phone number, name, the data will become dynamic, and whenever you are going to receive the response from your customers, the reply of those details, automatically further in your communication, you can send the details to the customers by using this contact custom field like this along with a $sign. Now I'm going to provide 3 buttons to my customers that what they want to explore. The first button is going to be if they want to view the seed catalog, or the second button is going to be in case they want to place the order, and the third is going to be for contacting us. Now, for each of the 3 buttons, I'm going to send separate messages. First of all, if the customer is going to click on the button view seed catalog, so I'm going to send them a message along with the catalog as media message because I want to send a catalog in media format. So here I'm going to select media message. By selecting media message, you can send image, video, audio, or document. I want to send the catalog in image format, so I'm going to select image. The image which you want to send in the message could be inserted over here with the help of URL directly, or also you can drag the image from your computer. I'm going to directly upload the image which is saved in my computer of the seed catalog. So I've uploaded the image for the catalog, and now here I'm going to enter a caption as well. To order, click below, and here I'm going to provide the button place order if they want to place their order for any of the seed. So I'm going to send them the link where they can place their order, the store link. So I'm going to send them text plus button message, and here the message is going to be, so here I have provided visit, and here the link of the store. Fill in your seed selection, quantity and address. Our team will confirm your order within 24 hours. Need help ordering? So here I'm going to provide the button for contacting us. Now, as we will move forward, first of all, let's save the flow. As the flow is updated, now let's move forward. To contact us, I'm going to send them a separate message. That is going to be the details of our store. And here we have the message. We are happy to help. These are the details. So I've provided the WhatsApp number and also the email for the support. And also here I've provided delivery across India. So this is the message. Now let's go towards the next step of this flow. First of all, let's save the flow. Keep saving the flow as you're moving forward to make it updated and keeping safe. Now the next is of place order. So if the person is going to click on the button place order, I'm going to directly send them the message where I'm providing the link to place the order. And if they want to contact us, again, I'm going to connect this button with a message where I'm providing them the details to contact me. So this is my flow ready. I'm going to quickly save it once again. As my flow is ready, now I'm going to show you whether it is working properly or not. So first of all, I will take you towards WhatsApp. And here I have opened WhatsApp. This is the number of green grow seeds, the name of my business. And on this number, I'm going to send a random message as a customer. Let's say, hi, I want to place order. And as I've sent this message, you can see I got the reply. This means that our flow is actually working fine, and also the bot is responding automatically. So in the similar manner, you can also very easily create a chatbot for your seed supplier business. You do not require any coding and programming skills for that. Also, you can add as many elements as you want. From the left side here, we have ask location, ask media, set custom fields, and much more. So you can use these elements to make your flow, make your chatbot creative and customized. I hope this process is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free? So try it now today. Thank you for watching.